Good morning, children. Welcome to my class. So in class 1 EVS, we are going to do lesson 19's exercises. Okay, this is lesson 19 seasons. Okay, we are going to do the exercises of this lesson. Alright, we have already completed this lesson. Alright, so you see here, encircle the right option. In which season is the umbrella used? First question you see here, in which season is the umbrella used? So the options are summer, rainy, and C number is both A and B. So the answer will be both A and B. Okay, this will be the answer. We have to encircle. Why you say both A and B? Because in summer season also we use umbrella, isn't it? When it's very hot, we have to go out. So at that time, to protect ourselves, we use the umbrella from the sun's heat, isn't it? So in summer season also we are using umbrella. Okay, and in rainy season we have to use umbrella because we have to protect ourselves from the rain. Alright, so the answer will be both A and B. Okay, in which season is the umbrella used? Summer, rainy. The answer will be both A and B. That means both summer and rainy season we use umbrella. Alright, okay. People wear woolen clothes during dash season. So it will be, options are rainy, winter and summer. You see here, people wear woolen clothes. So when do we wear woolen clothes? In winter season, isn't it? In winter season we use woolen clothes. That is sweaters, mufflers, gloves. All these things we use in the winter season. Alright, now you see exercise B. You have to do it in the book itself. Alright, encircle the odd one out using red crayon. During summer season, what you do during the summer season? You see here, cooler, hot, ice cream, fan. So which one will be the odd one out? Hot will be the odd one out. Okay, because in summer season you use cooler, isn't it? You eat ice creams. Okay, you sit under the fans. Alright, all these things you do, but hot is not matching here. So hot will be odd one out. Alright, and during winter season, number 2, you see glove, coat, ice cream and hot drinks. So you wear gloves in winter, isn't it? You wear coat in winter. You take hot drinks in winter. Okay, but we don't eat ice creams in winter because it's very cold. Ice cream is very cold, and in winter it's already cold, and that time we don't take ice creams. Alright, okay, so ice cream will be odd one out here. Alright, now we are going to do the question answers. Alright, children, please see, we are doing exercise C. This is answer the following questions. Okay, in which season are hot food, tea and coffee liked by all? So you write down here during the answer, during which season? So during winter season, hot food, during winter season, hot food, tea and coffee are liked by all. Hot food, tea and coffee are liked by all. Please see the question once again. In which season are hot food, tea and coffee liked by all? During winter season, hot food, tea and coffee are liked by all. Because in winter it's too cold, isn't it? And we like to take hot drinks, we like to eat hot food. Okay, alright? Okay. Why are woolen clothes worn in winter? So, why are woolen clothes worn in winter? Woolen clothes are worn in winter. Woolen clothes are worn in winter. To keep ourselves warm. To keep ourselves warm. Okay? You can write down to keep our body warm also. That also you can write. We wear sweater to keep ourselves warm, our body warm, isn't it? Why do we wear sweater? Why do we wear woolen clothes? Alright, please see. Why are woolen clothes worn in winter? Woolen clothes are worn in winter to keep ourselves warm. Okay. Alright, next number. What is used for protection against sun rays in summer? Okay. Now you see the next question, question number 3. what is used for protection against sun rays in summer? So to protect ourselves from the sun rays, what do we use? We use umbrella and scarf, isn't it? So you write down here umbrella and scarf. Okay. Scarf usually girls tie around their heads. Okay. So umbrella and scarf are used for protection against sun rays in summer. Okay, once again you please see the question. What is used for protection against sun rays in summer? Umbrella and scarf are used for protection against sun rays in summer. So children, please do exercise A and B in your copies. Okay, exercise exercise A and C you do in your copies. B no need to do. You can just do it in the book itself. Alright children, so we have completed this lesson, lesson 19 seasons we have completed. Only one lesson is left. This is lesson 20, daytime and nighttime. We are going to do it in our next class. Okay children, please go through the lesson. Please write down the exercises. Okay, thank you.